Gatomberie na ikoneni na speaker wa bunge ya Senate ara thiritwa kinambere kwa tayari bethiritwa baikinyirwo ni muswanda wa bunge ya kaunti ya Meru kuma jarani cha speaker wa bunge ino na arende kuringana nabo bethiritwa bakinambere kana kuringana na speaker oyo thiritwa kinambere kwigwa akiuga ba kwebanga banga ni bura bakainambere kwigwa bakiaragiria na kuona thineno ya kaunti ya Meru ekuinambere kwigwa igikinya muthia Jeff Gituma no gutwambire na riboti ino.
Speaker wa Senate wijikene ja Amason Kingi nerite senators na kinyirini riboti kuma kaunti ya Meru ya kweberia governor wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza Gitine
for the removal from office by way of impeachment of Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, the governor of Meru County. The message was transmitted to the Senate via letter reference number M/volume 4/43 dated Thursday 26 October 2023, signed by the Speaker of the County Assembly of Meru and received in my office on Friday 27th October 2023.
Nkuruki speaker ujo na ugite nandi ni ngugi yawe ya kumenyithia senators bonthe ati riboti ije ni kinyite.
Therefore, inform you of the aforementioned resolution and to forward the same to your esteemed office in line with the provisions of Section 33(2)(a) of the County Governments Act 2012 and Standing Order 65(6) of the County Assembly of Meru Standing Orders for your further action. Attached herewith, please find a schedule containing the bundle of documents, records containing evidence adduced, notes and records of proceedings before the County Assembly for your reference and records.
Nkuruki speaker ujo wa Senate na gutariria bimwe bya itumi biria governor wa Meru agwitirwa Gitine.
Vehicles to support the governor's private charity dubbed Okelea, despite previous promises to keep county operations and Okelea operations separate. Charge number 2, nepotism and related unethical practices. The particulars of this allegation are that the governor, 1, fraudulently represented unqualified relatives as technical team for medical equipment inspection in China. 2, employed 1, Edwin Mutuma Murangiri, a nephew to her husband in key county positions. And 3, designated her brother-in-law, Nefat Kinywa, as director of external linkages without transparent and competitive recruitment. And lastly, assigned diplomatic duties with engagement with foreign diplomats and dignitaries to unqualified relatives. Charge number 3, bullying, vilification, and demeaning other leaders. The particulars of this allegation are that the governor, 1, excluded the deputy governor from county executive committee meetings and other official functions. 2, engaged in bullying and posted demeaning messages about the deputy governor in WhatsApp groups known as Third Government 012 and County Admin Services, whose membership includes several officers who are subordinate to the Deputy Governor. 3, encouraged and condoned insubordination and the making of insulting and demeaning public utterances by subordinate staff against the Deputy Governor and other elected leaders. 4, encouraged and condoned the removal of the Deputy Governor by junior officers from official county WhatsApp forums.
Mwankana ndi tugitarugone bunge ya Senate ni kwaraniria yona kethira bakathura memba 11 bakwariria rwaria ruru rwa kweberia ngavana Gitine kana inyomba yonthe ya Senate ikariria rwaria ruru. Nkiripotera Meru TV mbitaje
Iboyaga irware rura Meru bainge bethiritwe bakinambere kwa bagetagira kuona mwerekera ura ukainambere kwa kithukagwa kaire kiririkano wati kagita karaka kuruku governor nathie nambere kwigua akionokagwa na metho monthe ndi marithite bunge no ya Senate kuona kana bakainambere kwigua bakimwonokagia kagita ka